Hey guys, this is Satish, and in the today's video I'm going to talk about some of the important updates which I wanted to give to you guys for the December 2019 examination. I've been getting a lot of queries from many of the subscribers and the students who are worried about some of the updates which they need for the upcoming examination. So postponement of June 2019 examination due to the election. So this is one of the important update which I wanted to give it to you guys. As you already know that the examination for CMA will be held in December and June of every year. I mean June and December of every year. So this June the examination will be starting from 10th of the June 2019, and however the elections are already been dates has been already announced, and as per the election schedule, the complete including the election counting will be completed by end of May. So by that time you will come to know who will be our next leader, all those stuff. So let's not worry about too much about those things. So currently the examination dates are not changed. Let me be clear, examination dates are not changed, unlike CA examination. So CMA examination dates remain same as it is, however the notification has been issued previously. So do not worry about the dates. Okay, so in case if it is postponed, you will get an additional days for completing your studies, but however I suggest not to get any postponement announcement, because we will have the tension for few more days. So I don't want that thing to happen. So let the examination date be same as it is, so that you are on track in completing your syllabus, revision and your mock test. So do not worry, if there is any changes, for sure I'll update you about your postponement of the dates for June 2019 examination. So however mock test papers are currently available for few of the subjects in the portal. I'll give the link below this video so you can refer that. So however I suggest not to worry too much about current year mock test paper. You are already having lot of previous examination terms mock test paper. You can just try to refer those things for your in case if you're planning to go for a mock test. So however practice test papers and revisionary test papers are yet to be released by the institute. Let's see what our institute does, because previously also had seen institute was not issuing the revisionary test paper properly for any some of the examination terms. So let's not worry. So let's try to refer the previous examination revisionary test paper, so that that should be useful for your current study planner. So however I'll be giving the link for these mock test and the practice test paper along with the revisionary test paper link in the below or the below this video description. So you also have received the notification for the applicable laws and acts for your June 2019 examination, which I'll be sharing now. Before that, I also need to mention to you that the June 2019 examination form submission date will be ending on 10th of April 2019. So do not wait till the last minute, because you are not sure what's going to happen in the last minute. So if you pay today, it's the same fees. If you pay tomorrow, it's the same fees. So there's no changes in the examination fees. So pay the examination fees immediately. So let's see what are the applicable laws which are applicable for our June 2019 examination. So you have the company's cost records and audit rules 2014. So these are applicable for both intermediate and final examination for paper 12 and paper 19, which you can see here. So this is applicable as on are the amended rules as on 30th November 2018. So links are being given here. You can just try to refer and download and see which are the laws and stuffs which are applicable to your examination or the paper 12 and 19. So you also have the CAS 1 to 24, including limited revision of CAS 2017. So this again applicable to both intermediate and final for the paper 8, which is cost accounting inter, and the paper 19 cost and management audit for the final. So link I already showing on the screen here, which institute has already given to us. So Companies Act 2013, again it's applicable for both intermediate and the final examination. This is applicable for a lot of subjects, which is for paper 6 laws and ethics, paper 12 company accounts and audit, These are for intermediate level, and you also have paper 13 corporate laws and compliance for final, paper 17 corporate financial reporting for final, again paper 19 cost and management account, cost and management audit for the final. Yeah, so link has been given here. So as you already aware that the provision of Companies Act 2013 and the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2019 along with significant rules needs to be referred, and which are applicable to the June examination, which is notified as an notified up to 30th November 2018. Again, link has been given here. You can just refer that link for your details. Yeah, so you have the CARO, which is Companies Auditor Reports Order to 2016. Again, it's applicable for intermediate and final level for paper 13, which is corporate laws and compliance. So link has been given here. So you need to refer the Finance Act 2018. So again, this is applicable for intermediate and final. So these are applicable for paper 7 direct taxation, paper 11 indirect taxation for the intermediate level. You have paper 16 direct tax laws and international taxation for final, and indirect tax laws and practice for paper 18 for the final. So link has been given here. So ensure you are referring these Finance Act for your June 2019 examination. Yeah, so GST and custom laws intermediate and final applicable for the papers intermediate paper 11 and paper 18 for the final. So link has been given here. Ensure you refer these links for the respective subjects. Yeah, so Indian accounting standard not applicable for intermediate, however it's applicable for the final. It is a simple application based on the problems and theories may be asked. Remember, it is clearly mentioned may be asked, so not 100% sure. So ensure you are referring when you're studying paper 17. Yeah, link has been given here. So you have the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Again, it's applicable for only for final syllabus, which is paper 13. So the revised study material has been issued in this regard. Yeah, so ensure that you refer all this revisionary the revised things which institute has already given for us, and ensure you do not miss anything. Yeah, oh okay, we have one more thing, so which is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority Act 2013 intermediate syllabus only for paper 6. Yeah, so this is the updates, guys. Hope you will refer all this important stuffs and important notification which institute has released for June 2019 examination. And in case if you are referring this, trust me, you are on an edge by getting an additional marks from the examiner. Yeah, so this is the video for the day. Hope you are going to refer these things and you do not miss anything for the June 2019 examination. Yeah, so this is Satish signing off for the day. So you check it, and bye bye.